Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. Is my camera working? Oh no. Let me turn this off. How are you guys doing today? It's Saturday. Sorry if you can hear lawnmower, but everybody's out cutting their grass today. Uh, I'm in Jersey, New Jersey, Southern Jersey, and our governor, I'm not going to talk bad about anybody today, decided that he was going to lift the ban on parks and the beach and stuff like that. Um, and essential businesses are opening, I guess, more and more. Like, I think they encouraged like religious and spiritual shops to open because people are depressed and all that kind of thing. And I totally understand. I won't be going anywhere. And South Jersey is hit really, really hard right now. It's growing and growing and growing here. So I don't exactly know why he did it in our area. I mean, I understand maybe North Jersey if um, they're getting better up there or not, or whatever. But here, it's all coming down here now. And we just, every day, it's like more and more and more. And even yesterday, when he did his press conference, we were like almost 2,500, 3,000 just in like South Jersey, something like that. It went up. And he doesn't really talk about that. What he says is social distancing and people need to get out and stay away from each other, but we need to get out in the air and kind of goes over that. So I'm not going to get into politics or anything like that because it's not my gig. But hopefully everybody, does what they're supposed to and everybody can enjoy outside. I myself will be going in my yard. Dave actually got up for me this morning. He had to mail some stuff we sold on eBay, and he was like, you know what, I'm going to run up to it's called Pope's, but it's our like flower herbs, our big garden center, like ran by, home people. How you say, oh my God, I just lost all train of thought. It's not like a Lowe's or whatever. It's like business. Do you know what I'm saying? Small business. So he was like, I'm going to be up there when they open because we can't get near it because people have been going there like crazy. And you're close to each other. It's outside, but everything's together. And so he's like, I'm going to be up there when they open and I'm going to grab you some stuff and blah, 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 blah. Because we ordered from Burpees and I haven't gotten it yet. It's been a month. And they don't take phone calls. So he finally Twittered them. And they were like, oh yeah, it's coming. Your plants are growing and they'll be there within the next couple weeks or something. I don't know. And they didn't have any tomatoes left. I guess their batch had went bad, which I understand. So, plus I'm trying to grow my own stuff out of seeds that I have here. So I figure why not? Yeah. So, he went up there first thing before they opened, and he said he couldn't even get in the parking lot. It was packed already. So he doesn't want to jeopardize, me and Emily, so he doesn't let us go anywhere. And he wears his mask and his whole stuff, but he won't go near if there's a lot of things. So, and I don't blame him. I don't want him getting sick or bringing it here. So there's that. But how are you guys doing? So I told you guys the other day I started sourdough. I started my sourdough start. I've been reading a lot. I haven't been doing videos like I want to be. I sit down to do it and then I get on to other things and I've been writing, how to grow seeds and, that kind of stuff. And although I'm going to be doing a video today. So I've been reading like my cookbooks and just trying to find some different things because here in New Jersey, like Walmart is like the Walmart grocery is completely wiped out. He went yesterday and sent me pictures. He's like, Cal, they have nothing. They have like one straggly like chicken leg package. He's like, there's no bacon. There was nothing. So he came home. He's like, I don't even know why I went. He's like, I got brown sugar and milk and cat litter and like there was nothing. And he went with a big list. So it's really hard to find food. And then ShopRite, which is other grocery store, is great, but it's getting in there. They're packed. And you can't do shop at home because it's a lot. So I've been trying to find different recipes and different things to do. And so I was going through and I mentioned this the other day about doing a sourdough starter because I want to do sourdough bread because I can't get yeast anywhere. I've had my sister look everywhere she's going, and she's like, how many towns over? 3 towns over. So she got like completely different grocery stores by her. Every grocery store here, Amazon, everywhere. I cannot find yeast, and all I want is some yeast. So I started my own sourdough starter, which is flour and water. So I figured if you're interested, let me know down below. I know a lot of you aren't. I might just do it anyway for anybody who is, but I was going to do a video talking about how I started it, my sourdough starter, and like what I've learned and where I'm at now. And I'm going to try to cook a loaf and see. So I might do like just like a video. I'll do it a little bit more professional, hopefully, than my previous cooking ones. I'll maybe try to get Dave to help me. Or Emily, but nobody wants to help me do anything. So yeah, so I'm gonna get one. I'll get one of them to help me like record, so it's a little bit better. See if Dave can like put my one camera up, so it's like on a tripod and blah 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 blah. So I will do that. I'm very excited though. Every day I feed it and I look at it and I'm like, girl, come on, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's what I got going on there. You know, one thing I do want to talk about, and, you know, this is, I'm just going to say this. I get a lot of emails. And I get a lot of emails from people, women, usually older women, who live alone, who are disabled, or maybe their husband passed, they don't have children, or their children live in different states, or don't want to, a lot of people are disconnected from their family, whatever. And I get a handful of them. And so here's the thing. I'm in New Jersey. I'm in South Jersey. I'm in Waterford, Atco area, kind of by Atlantic City, Hamilton, that kind of thing, in between Berlin, Marlton, blah, blah, blah. If you watch me and you're here and you are somebody who's alone, who maybe live in a home, or you don't have anybody to help you out, let me know. My email's down below. Let me know. My email's down below. Okay. And let me know. And maybe we can, you know, Dave and I can grab you maybe eggs or bread or maybe something that you need, leave it on your porch. So, you know, you're not without, do you know what I mean? Or toilet paper or whatever you may need. Let me know. Like I said, I know a lot of people are stuck in nursing homes or, like I said, stuck at home. And just, if I'm able to help, I'm here, you know, let us know. I can't do much because I'm, you know, the same as you guys, but I can drop off a few things for you to maybe make your life a little bit easier, especially if you can't go out and you're alone. So I'm very lucky. I have my husband. And like I said, he can, you know, run into the Walmart or wherever and pick you up a couple of things. So that's not a problem. So like I said, my email's down below. It's knittinganthings@netzero.com. I'll move it to the top of my description down there so you don't have to search for it. Or again, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever. I'm everywhere. Leave it down. Like say, hey, I'm in New Jersey. I need help. We'll figure it out. So I don't want anybody to be stuck. It's been a long time. And I know like for us, unemployment is like, you know, he's applying and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and they're supposed to have it situated, but obviously they don't. The system was down yesterday. The system was down this morning. It's just a big pain in the butt, and we don't have much money coming in. So I can imagine being alone and not having anybody. So please, like I said, let me know down below. Don't feel ashamed. Don't feel whatever. I already have a couple people that, you know, asked for a little bit of help, and I'm going to do my best. I can't do a lot, but I will do everything I can to at least make sure you're not starving and, you know, that kind of thing. Because it's just, like I said, I'm not going to get into politics, but I do realize, and we have Democrats and we have Republicans. I've said this before, and they want what they want, and they're fighting for what they want. They want for what they want. And we are all lost in the middle, and none of us matter to them. It's just what they can get. And I'm not saying this one's worse than that one or better or whatever. It is what it is. It's just government. I get it. But we all get lost, and especially disabled people like me. I get SSI. And I know a lot of other people do as well. So, we kind of get lost in the shuffle. We don't get much. So, yeah, as long as those big companies keep taking that business loans and stuff. Anyway, I'm going on a rant. Yeah, so that's about it. I've been painting. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I've shown this. I painted this and I love it. It's on paper because I didn't have size. I need 5x7 canvases, and getting them is like lately. So yeah, so I did this, and I think I might just mount this, and I want to paint it like with a clear acrylic on top, gloss, because I think that would look pretty. See, I don't know. I hope it doesn't mess it up. And that's really it. I've just been trying to, like I said, cook, bake, try new things. Been doing art, but doing art for myself more than anything. Got a few things I'm going to do today, and I just hope you guys are doing good. It feels weird, like just the way the world went all of a sudden. I don't know if it was for you guys, but it went so fast. Like all of a sudden everything's fine, and all of a sudden like everybody's quarantined. It's like your head spins, whatever, right? It is life. But yeah, that's about it. I loved all your cereal answers. Thank you very much. And then your candy answers. Thank you very much. Let me know down below what your favorite flower is. That's what I want to know. I love flowers. I love the viney flowers, and I can't think of the name right now because Dave put up 2 of these. I'll have to do a video outside because we're kind of not redoing outside, but like we have things that we've done or taken off or whatever, and so we're repurposing. And so he put these things up on my patio, and so we're doing like the viney flowers, and right now it's totally lost my brain of what they are. So I have to get a couple more of those so they can like go up and get flowers, and I love it. So redoing a little bit of stuff. He's cutting the grass out back for the dogs. I got to get new flea meds for the dogs. Yeah, so what kind of flowers do you like? I love these stargazer lilies. I love roses. I love roses of all kinds. I don't have any. I'm not growing any, which I don't understand why I don't, but I don't, because I would love to have like big roses and pick them, and oh my goodness, maybe I should look into that. Herbs, I have growing back, I have sage, rosemary, things that didn't die over the winter because we had no winter here in Jersey. And I love all the, like all those like herbs and stuff like that. Herbs I don't even use, I love. And flowers, I love sunflowers. I love portulacas because I grew up with them everywhere, if you know what those are. And black-eyed Susans I love. And wildflowers. Of course, who doesn't love wildflowers? So let me know down below what you guys like. And that's it. Just thanks for taking the time to watch this. And just know that I'm thinking about all of you. And I hope that you guys continue to be safe, and that this coronavirus hasn't affected anybody out there watching this. I hope not, or anybody in your family or friends. And again, if you want to drop me a line for whatever reason, or you're around Jersey and you need help, let me know. And I love you guys so very much. Thank you to everybody who's supporting me on my memberships, on my YouTube. If you're interested, the link is down below. And it's just supporting me and my channel. And if not, just watching my video means a lot. So thank you guys. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know about somebody else is fighting. Let me know about what you want to see. Like I said, I'm going to do some sourdough. I'm going to do some, I think, scallion pancakes. And I think tomorrow I might do some scalloped, like cheesy potatoes, because I love them in the box by like Betty Crocker, but they're so salty. And, they're dehydrated potatoes, and also I might try to make my own. We'll see. I don't know. But I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.